we're going to unbox the 24K Gold Skincare 6 set with 99.9% pure gold. Nakakatakot naman. Comes with a 24K Gold Skincare set. And this. Yan, nahulog. Okay. 4K Gold Skincare. It's 99% pure gold. A skin of higher quality than gold. With 99.9% pure gold. This product is designed to improve wrinkles by taking care of complex skin problems that arise in your age and regain the elasticity and healthy gloss of skin. Tanong, alaban kaya ako nito? Let's see. First, we have two. First step is using a toner. So it comes with this 99% pure gold 120 ml bottle at meron siyang mga silver, meron siyang gold particles, no? Next with the toner is the ampules. So the ampules is like, this is the ampule. The ampule is usually this also, moisturize the skin and after the ampule, we have to put the essence. Essence.
Mami, magkaka-IKEA na sa
Essence.
Alam mo yan?
Oo.
Yung nagbubuo. Ilo, gusto ko naman gano'n. Tabi ng MOA.
Emulsion. So, yung essence medyo malagkit. Usually, in 2 days, may effect na daw ito. We'll see. Okay? Emulsion pala sunod. Kailangan ba ito yung tuyo? Bango? So, after this, medyo pat dry na siya. We have to put now the emulsion. So, this is the 24K again emulsion. Emulsion, 120 ml. It comes naman with the trial. Kaya mga ang paste ko dito. Okay. So smooth ito. Napakadaming nilalagay sa face. Pag hindi ka pa naman naging ginto, Parang ang cleanse ng iyong face. And the next is the eye cream. Okay. So this eye cream. Eye cream daw sa ilalim ng mata. Oh. Okay. Then, other one. Around the eye. Kunti lang. Makaka-net. Then, after this eye cream, you have na the final which is the cream. Okay, it's the cream. Last one is this one. Cream. Konti lang, pero sulit. Bango niya, bango. Ito yung mga bango na gusto ko. So, hindi ko alam kung magiging gold na yung face ko or magiging glass skin. Tingnan natin. Kasi hindi ako tinatalaban ng mga pampaputi, hindi ako tinatalaban. Ay, nahulog. Look. Mawawala daw ang wrinkles ko. And then it will lighten my skin. The dark spots. Giging elastic na. Wait na lalagay.